Creating a sitemap for your Blogger blog helps search engines like Google crawl and index your content more effectively. Here's how to create and submit a sitemap for your Blogger blog. Default sitemap for Blogger. Blogger automatically generates a sitemap for your blog. The URL for the default sitemap is the following. Replace your blog name with your actual Blogger blog's name. Check the sitemap URL. Simply open the URL in your browser. You should see a list of posts in XML format. This sitemap automatically includes all published posts and pages. Submit the sitemap to Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console. Select your website from the dashboard. In the left menu, click Sitemaps under Index. In the Add a new sitemap section, enter the sitemap URL. Click Submit to submit your sitemap to Google. Monitor sitemap status. Google will start crawling and indexing your content based on the sitemap. You can monitor the status of your sitemap and see any errors or warnings in Search Console.